What a beautiful day it is, and I'm so happy to be sharing with you all. Here, this is Aradhya Singh from the first year of B Pharma is going to represent few lines about women empowerment. So, my respected teachers, and hey, you guys, what is up? Oops, sorry, because I was told that girls could not raise their voice. Well, today I'm going to tell that what society made me feel as a girl. When I was small, I have often heard from the people that we wish that we could have boys. And let me in publication, I was like, why people prefer son? Isn't their girl child look cute? Isn't they responsible? Isn't they gorgeous? But still, it happened with us. When I told my parents that I wish to go out, they enforced ample of questions in front of me that where I'm going, when I'm going, with whom I'm going, and when I'm coming back. And when I denied to answer such a questions, my mother then told me that Aradhya, if you were a boy, we would never impose such a questions on you. Well, we as a women experience a lot. It's really true. You remember the most famous line that we commonly use for our moms? Hey mom, shut up and please stop irritating us. Well, how many of you have guts to say the same thing to your fathers? I know that the majority will be very less. You know how a common woman has been introduced in the local societies? Meet her. She is a housewife. She don't used to do work. She used to cook meal for her children and husband, and this is how her life goes. But today I'm here going to talk about the men who exploit women. Today I'm here to talk about the women who has been enforced for prostitution, marital rapes, and etc. Because we as a women experience a lot. Kidnapping, injecting drugs, eve teasing, female discrimination, gender criticism, and the most pathetic part, throwing a woman out on the street naked has been became very common in today's world. What defines a woman? A shade of pink or purple? A bright lipstick? Or high heels? Well, no way, nothing at all. A true woman is defined by her courage. Respect her, and it is something which is really needed in today's world. The society loves a woman as a mother, as a wife, as a sister, but never as a daughter. So, girls, wake up, fight for your rights because you're the only defender for yourself. Education plays a very major role in empowering a woman. Well, government has already passed certain acts for the betterment of women, and several NGOs are also working for the betterment and the development of the women. They empower women by creating awareness among them and creating a lot of projects for the skill developments and their educational development. Because when a woman is on a move, her family will move. And as soon her family will move, the whole village will move. And the way a village moves, the whole nation will move. This is a very famous say by respected Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Do you know what, guys? A Saudi man has divorced her wife just because she was standing next to him and walking away on the street. It's sounding funny, right? World after 6 p.m. has been rejected for the most of the Indian women's. You know what? A recent survey says that 6 out of the 10 girls wish that they could be boys. But there is it's an exception. I don't want to live a life of a person who is giving freedom rather to be a person who deserves freedom. So don't burn her aspirations in the name of responsibilities. Stop eve teasing, stop acid attacks, stop gender criticism, stop female discrimination, stop dowry system. Please understand, we also have soul, we also breathe, we also exist, and above all of it, we are not your prey. Don't consider her a sinner if the three course of your meal is not on the time in the table. Respect her. Try to understand that the power of women is really important that we exist in the world. At last, I would like to dedicate my whole speech to the not to the men who respect women, who kindly respect women, but to the other groups of the society. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. And right now, I will include on the screen a painting. Actually, it's acrylic painting by me, and which will really made you feel the depth of this topic. And the message which this painting conveys says that God, I try to be kind with everyone, but this is how they lay me down and I die.